Howdy there, folks. Well, my son's recently moved into a house and he needed a decent tool set. So I went and got one of these Bahco, I think they're 87+7 or something, 94 piece. I tried to find out why they're called what they're called, but not really sure. But there's 97 pieces. They're not quite as big as the 106 set that I have, but still quite good with basically the same stuff. So these are your long sockets or deep sockets in the 1/4 inch drive. 9, 10, 11, 13 there. So a bit strange that there's not a 12, but I guess it's more likely that they were figuring the 13 had replaced the 1/2 inch. So yeah, that's the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you have some impact sockets. And then yeah, still strange there's no 12. Anyway, we have a 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.5, 5, 4.5 and 4. Nice to have those little ones in there, they're handy for little fiddly things. There's a very nice 1/4 inch drive, pretty much exactly the same as the one I have. I think the handles have changed slightly, but I still thought it felt good when I was going through it, having a look at it. Little screwdriver to drive your, like for nut driving or driving screwdrivers or Torx bits. And of course the lovely Bahco 1/2 inch ratchet. I really do like these ratchets. They're just a nice thing to hold. Once again, I think the handle's slightly different to mine, but still very nice in the hand. So you've got a couple of extensions, and that one there is actually a 3/8 adapter, which is a bit strange because there's no 3/8 sockets in this set, but I guess it would help if you're using something else, if you had a 3/8 drive ratchet. But anyway, that just pops up there and lets you use that as another adapter. Otherwise you can use that as a little T-bar if you wanted to. But yeah, just a bit strange, right? That's the smaller size, so anyway. Decent range of sockets. Some of the sockets they have doubled up on. What I mean by that is your 7/16 and 11 are the same, and then a bit further down the 3/4 and 19th are the same. Now these are very close in size, of course, 7/8 and 22, very close in size, and I guess that allows them to save a little bit of space and a few less sockets in the set. So yeah, like I said, they're a pretty nice set. This is just an overview of it. I didn't get a chance to use any of it. He's just moved into a unit with his girlfriend, and she owns the unit but has let a few things go into needing repair. So he had an old set that I had given him a few years ago, an old toolbox that I actually won in a competition that was pretty pedestrian, so I thought I'd get him some nice stuff to use. So yes, of course on the other side of the case you have the spanner sets, so you've got the double-ended socket spanners, as well as a nice set of ring open enders, or combination spanners as they call them. The holder for these is a little bit fiddly. Interestingly enough, on the center divider it shows you what's underneath the center divider, just so that when you open it, it's a little bit easy to find the things. It's much easier to read that than it is to read the black plastic. So yeah, S87+7 is the name of the set. And yeah, just a good overview there of everything that's in there. And here we have this. Now, as I said, this is a bit fiddly. You've actually got to flick that, and then you can pull the set out, and then you pop the catch off to get access to the spanners, and they come out. And I did have on my set this part of it. The plastic went brittle and it actually broke, which made it an absolute pain in the bum because it wouldn't sit there properly. I did manage to get it replaced, so not a big drama. Anyway, that's a little overview of it, and yeah, I think it's quite a nice set, and he will get plenty of use out of it.